Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for Ward County, Scotland County, Sampson County, Anson County, Harnett County, Richmond County, Montgomery County, Cumberland County, Stanley County, Lee County, Polk County, until 3:45 p.m. Monday at 9:38 a.m. Emergency management officials reported flooding across the warned area. Extensive flooding is ongoing and numerous roads are closed, impassable, or washed out. Do not drive around barricades or into flooded roads, no matter what vehicle you have. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fayetteville, Sanford, Laurinburg, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Clinton, Waitsboro, Rayford, and Lillington. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Stay away or be swept away. Do not underestimate the power of flood waters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle.